Hi everyone, welcome back. Next lot of 11 method shorts, another thing. Oh, now this actually people really do struggle with. I can laugh about what people don't know, but this is different. People just don't understand. A lot of people wouldn't understand the shape of that graph. Let's say you don't understand the shape of that graph at all. But it's like this bit here. I often talk about it says hello. I just want to have fun with it all the time. Hello, I am not allowed to equal 0. Because what happens if you get a 0 on the bottom? It means that 5 divided by 0, so let's go over here. 5 divided by 0 does not exist. And I still have people watching, but we won't go there now, that don't understand why that doesn't exist. Let's have a look. So the x minus 3 is not allowed to equal 0. So if we go plus 3, we've got x does not equal 3. And guess what that is? What I did, more than half of my class write y equals. So if they looked at it there and they said, just that bit there, it actually tells you the answer. It doesn't matter whether you're doing specky year 12, you're looking at the bottom tells you the answer. So that really gives it away. So you can look at it and just go, well, it's the opposite of that. But what happens if we had 2x or we had it more complicated? Same thing applies. Now, go back to a graph thing. That's all I want to talk about with that. I'm not drawing the graph, nothing. This one here is like, I'm going to do it again. Hello. Oh my goodness. I got to laugh at myself, guys. It's a vertical line at 3. Now, it's not called y equals 3. The line itself is called x equals 3. So why did, again, more than half of my class wrote that as y. And you go, uh-oh, go over to here. Hopefully you recognise the hyperbola has this shape, and most people should know that. And you go over here and you go, the opposite of 3 is minus 3. Now we don't know what number goes there. So A comes, I call it that comes to the rescue. What do we do then? What else comes to the rescue? Yes, I count them, those who are not used to me. Substitution. Why do we substitute? The only point we know is 0 minus 2. So I'm going to put a 0 for x, and I'm going to put a minus 2 for y. So I'll go over here, I put a 0 for x, and I put a minus 2 for y. And I've got this equation which people go, oh my goodness, I'm struggling with it. Let's have a look at what it is. I've just got minus 2 equals a on minus 3. Now, if you want to go back to equations, you can see what I'm going to do is, if I multiply this side by minus 3, it gets rid of the denominator. And there's going to be so many people here that will say, I can do that in my head, that's too easy, I can just multiply by minus 3. It's just amazing how many people still, when it looks different or weird or strange, will do something strange. So they cancel and you're left with a equals 6. What's our equation? Come on, Brendan.
Y equals 6 over x, take 3.
Yes. Imagine how many people get that wrong. Not just Australia, all around the world. So, thanks for watching. See you in the future.